Yorktown Hotel in York, Pennsylvania is from modernized.
This used to be Otis Touch, and now it's that. Otis Series 7 sounds like.
Series 7. No, on Otis.
The original door track's still there. We filmed this 2015.
Right before it closed. Hi.
They took down the sign of the famous Evil Dead State here.
Yeah.
Whole cab's been redone. Well, they totally redid this place. It's nothing like it was before.
B.
Oops, actually we're supposed to do L. We're stopping at all of them now. Here's Becca.
Patrick.
Alright, here we go. People got on. I'm gonna finish it up. Yeah, totally redone. Well, there's a service elevator. 1960s Otis.